Hey guys, today we're making a cozy little sleeve for your mason jar. It's perfect if you love drinking iced coffee, tea, or even eat overnight oats from your jars. I'll be showing you how to make two different sizes, one for 16 ounces and one for 32 ounces. You'll see a list of supplies pop up on the screen, and I've linked everything in the description as well. Let's jump right into it. To start, we're going to draft our pattern. If you have a cutting mat like this one, it makes the process easier, but don't worry if you don't, it's totally optional. The larger cozy will fit a 32-ounce jar, and the smaller one is for a 16-ounce jar. Feel free to take a screenshot of the measurements now, but I've also listed them in the description below. To make the pattern, begin by drawing a simple rectangle based on the size of the jar cozy you're making. Then, at the bottom corners, draw one line up and one line in, like you're making a little notch. Just make sure you're using the correct measurements for each of the little bottom squares as well, because they do differ for each size jar cozy. Once you've drawn your lines, you're ready to cut and your pattern is ready to go. Next, let's cut our fabric. Remember to cut on the fold. For the batting, I just cut it about a 1/4 inch smaller than the fabric all the way around. It doesn't need to be perfect, just enough to reduce some bulk in the seams. Next, it's time to quilt the outer piece. I drew lines across using a heat erasable pen, but you can also use tailor's chalk or a fabric marker, whatever you have on hand. My lines are 2 inches apart, but you can space yours however you like. 1 inch, half an inch, whatever feels good to you. And then I just brought it to my machine and stitched right down those lines. Now we're going to fold the exterior piece in half with the right sides together. Pin that in place and sew both sides down using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once you've got those seams trimmed up, line up the corners at the bottom where we made the little square cutouts and pin. Sew each of those closed using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now follow the same process with your lining fabric. Just two small changes. Don't add batting and leave about a 2-inch gap in the side seam. We'll use that to turn the project right side out in a bit. Turn your outer piece right side out. Then nest it inside the lining so that the right sides are facing each other. Line up the side seams and top edge and clip everything in place. Then sew all the way around the top with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now reach through the gap you left in the lining and gently pull everything right side out. Take a moment to press the seams, then close the gap in your lining with a neat top stitch. We're almost done. Give the top edge a nice press to make it neat and even. Then sew a top stitch all the way around the opening to finish it off. And that's it. Now you've got a super cute cozy for your mason jar, whether you're sipping cold brew or snacking on oats. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.